In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubstaff's time tracking and productivity monitoring tool. We'll walk through the process from accessing the tool to starting your first tracking session. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hubstaff website. Hubstaff is a powerful platform designed to help you track time and monitor productivity effectively. It's a favorite among businesses for keeping projects on track and managing remote teams efficiently. Once you're on the home page, look for the Product section in the main menu. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing Hubstaff's various features and services. Next, you'll want to find and click on Download the Apps. This will direct you to the download page where you can choose the version of the application that suits your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. After selecting the appropriate version, hit the Download button to proceed. This will initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder on your computer. Look for the Hubstaff installer file you just downloaded. Double-click on it to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Hubstaff time tracker on your machine. This typically involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing an installation location. Now that you've installed Hubstaff, open the application. You'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. Click on Sign into your account. You'll need to enter your sign-in information, which typically includes your email and password associated with your Hubstaff account. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one on the Hubstaff website first. Once you've entered your credentials, complete the authentication process to access the app. Once you've logged in, you'll be ready to use the time tracker on your desktop. The first thing you'll want to do is select your organization within the Hubstaff application. This is important as it ensures the time you track is allocated correctly to the right project or team. Then, choose a task list under To Do. This helps in organizing tasks and managing priorities effectively. Now, you're all set to begin tracking your time. Start the timer when you begin working on a task and stop it when you're finished. This simple mechanism allows you to keep precise records of your work hours. Finally, when you've completed a task, be sure to click Complete in the application. This marks the task as done, helping you maintain an up-to-date record of your workflow and productivity. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to use Hubstaff's time tracker to its fullest potential. Remember, consistency is key to leveraging time tracking effectively for better productivity and team management. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!